Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the rear engine mount or transmission mount on Skoda Fabia. The engine mount or transmission mount is located underneath the car on the rear of the engine. It's just over there, and it's hanging onto the transmission. This mount is held by 3 bolts. Two of them are on the transmission and one of them is on the subframe. So now we're going to remove the 3 bolts. After the 3 bolts are removed, we can take out the engine mount and replace it. That's the engine mount. When you're putting back on the engine mount, it's done in exactly the same way. You put it in its place and then you tighten the 3 bolts. You might want to move the transmission a little bit so that you can put the bolts in. After the bolts are in, we can tighten them, and then we're done with replacing the engine or the transmission mount. And that's it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and subscribe to the channel.